What if one AI tool could connect 5 different apps and turn that into a full video in minutes? Did AI just level up again? That's exactly what's happening inside Google Gemini with its newest features. The new feature inside Google Gemini is called Personal Intelligence, and the idea behind it is simple but powerful. It allows Gemini to securely connect with apps like Gmail, Google Photos, YouTube, Calendar, and Search, but only if permission is granted. Instead of generating answers purely from general internet knowledge, it now uses personal context to respond more accurately. That means when a question is asked, Gemini does not just predict an answer, it performs cross-app data correlation. In simple terms, it connects information from multiple sources and analyzes relationships between them. This works using advanced large language models, LLMs, combined with structured data retrieval systems. Technically, the system improves relevance by reducing what scientists call contextual uncertainty, which increases response precision. When more relevant data points are available, the probability of correct answers increases mathematically. For example, instead of guessing from one general dataset, it can reference 5 connected datasets, increasing accuracy potential significantly. Earlier AI tools worked mostly on statistical probability, predicting the most likely answer from general training data. Personal intelligence shifts that toward evidence-based retrieval from real user data. Importantly, the feature is off by default, and access must be manually enabled for each app. Google states that this personal data is not used to train global AI models, meaning it stays isolated at the user level. Sensitive areas like health information and private inferences are restricted to protect boundaries. Scientifically speaking, this moves Gemini closer to a context-aware reasoning system rather than a simple predictive chatbot. The result is faster retrieval, more precise answers, and reduced time spent manually searching across platforms. There are 2 major strengths behind personal intelligence. The first is cross-app reasoning, which means Gemini can connect details from different platforms and understand how they relate. The second is precise detail retrieval, where it pulls exact dates, names, or photo information instead of vague guesses. Older assistants might say, "You attended a concert last year." Gemini could respond with the exact date the email arrived and when the event happened. That level of accuracy changes the experience completely. Because it works across apps, it feels more like a memory assistant than a chatbot. Searching folders manually could slowly become unnecessary. That alone saves serious time. Now comes the exciting part: ingredients to video, powered by VO 3.1 inside Gemini. This feature allows up to 3 reference images to control what appears in a generated video. Earlier, text-only prompts caused characters and backgrounds to change randomly in every clip. With this update, one image can lock the character, another can define the background, and another can set the style. The AI stops guessing and starts following visual anchors. If the same person needs to appear in multiple shots, their look remains stable. That means no more random face swaps or outfit changes. For creators, this solves one of the biggest AI video problems: inconsistency. Consistency is where this feature really shines. Using reference ingredients, Gemini keeps the same facial features, body type, hairstyle, and outfit across scenes. Background elements like buildings, streets, and props also remain stable from different angles. In earlier tools, objects would disappear or move without reason. Now the model is visually conditioned using real images, which reduces drift. It is like giving the AI strict instructions with proof. That small technical shift creates a huge practical improvement. Anyone who has generated multiple clips before knows how frustrating changing characters can be. This update reduces that frustration significantly. Another strong upgrade is style transfer without breaking character identity. By uploading an image with specific lighting or color mood, that visual tone can be applied to the entire clip. Cinematic lighting, animated texture, or dramatic shadows can all be controlled through ingredients. Earlier, strong style changes often distorted faces or altered identity. Now the blending is cleaner and more balanced. The character remains recognizable while the atmosphere changes. It creates more professional-looking results. Perfection is not guaranteed, but stability is much better than pure text prompts. That makes experimentation safer and easier. Although personal intelligence and ingredients to video are separate systems, together they become powerful. Personal intelligence finds relevant photos, dates, and details from apps. Those images can automatically become video ingredients. For example, travel photos from last November can be pulled from Google Photos and used as consistent backgrounds. Calendar data can confirm the timeline of the trip. The final result becomes a video built from real memories instead of generic guesses. That combination moves Gemini beyond simple AI tools. It becomes both a context assistant and a creative engine at the same time. Smarter series creation. For ongoing content creators, this opens new possibilities. A recurring mascot or character can be saved as a default ingredient asset. Gemini can remember previously used references and apply them again in future episodes. This removes the need to manually upload the same file every time. If the character needs to appear in a new location, only the background ingredient changes. The identity remains stable while the setting updates. That creates a clean and efficient workflow. Less repetition means more focus on creativity. Over time, that consistency strengthens brand identity. In marketing scenarios, this upgrade becomes extremely useful because Google Gemini can pull details from documents and campaign schedules to create tailored video versions. At the same time, ingredients to video keeps logos, product shots, and mascots visually locked, ensuring strong brand consistency across social media, websites, and mobile formats. This directly reduces visual drift, which is a common problem in AI-generated content. When it comes to privacy, personal intelligence is fully opt-in and turned off by default. App access must be selected manually, and personal data is not used to train global AI models. Sensitive areas like health information are restricted, keeping the balance between powerful personalization and user control. Google's personal intelligence update has received very strong social media attention, involving big personalities openly talking about it online. Sundar Pichai posted on X, calling it a top request from our users, and clearly mentioned that connections stay off by default for privacy. The Google AI handle promoted it as help tailored to your world, sharing examples like travel planning and personalized routines. Even the official Gemini app account amplified posts explaining how the assistant becomes smarter with context. Tech analyst Max Weinbach shared a demo where Gemini pulled glove details from a Gmail receipt and called the feature actually pretty cool, which gained attention. Sundar Pichai later quote-tweeted that demo, saying it was a great use case for pro users. There was even a trending X topic titled, "Google launches personal intelligence for tailored Gemini," collecting thousands of reactions. All these posts together show how personal intelligence quickly became one of the most discussed AI updates online. AI assistants used to simply answer questions. Now they can connect apps, retrieve exact details, and generate stable videos with visual anchors. That is a major shift in capability. Personal intelligence acts as the data and reasoning layer. Ingredients to video works as the visual control layer. Together, they move Gemini closer to being a digital production assistant. Less guessing, more accuracy, and stronger visual consistency define this upgrade. Content creation becomes faster and more reliable. And this evolution shows that AI is no longer just about smart replies. It is about smart creation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.